Hello, this is Matteo. I'm the Chief Mobile Opinionist at Tech Travel Geeks, and today we're going to unbox the Sephia SX16 wireless headphones. The Sephia SX16 wireless headphones are an affordable pair of Bluetooth earphones or headphones which cost less than £20 sterling or $25. Now, this is a growing market of Bluetooth headphones, which is growing in part due to the fact that most modern smartphones, especially the high-end ones, are starting to do away with a 3.5mm audio jack. As you can see, this is a set of Bluetooth 4 headphones. According to the information we have on the back, it has a relatively large speaker in the device. It has an LED indicator and an internal 300 milliamp hour battery. It should take 2 to 3 hours to charge, and it charges on USB at 5 volts. And it says that it should last for up to 12 hours use after a charge. So as you can see, the packaging is pretty straightforward. Cardboard box with a bit of colouring, a shiny Sephia logo at the top, and the SX16 logo. Let's open up the box, and there you go. Very, very straightforward. That's a plastic box on the inside, and here you'll find underneath the headphones a bag with a Sephia brand in high relevance, a user manual, a set of 3.5mm audio jack connectors, so you can use these with wired devices that have that, and there should also be a micro USB cable somewhere. Here we are, still inside the bag. And inside the bag, as you can see, it's a standard USB-A to micro USB cable. You may already have one of those. And 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio connector. There's also a Sephia VIP warranty registration card. This will allow you to register for VIP warranty. I don't know what real advantage that brings, but I'm sure that Sephia have something to say about that. And the instruction manual is fairly straightforward. Let's move on to the headphones themselves. Here we go. So this is the highlight of the product, the headphones themselves. Very soft, paddy ear things. Ideal for people with slightly smaller ears. They don't go all over the ear, but the padding is nice and soft, which means you'll get a good fit. Sephia logo on the side. It's a bit of a fingerprint magnet, as you can see. They move quite a lot, which is good. They'll adapt nicely. There's a soft part at the top for cushioning your head. If you get hit by a ball or something, it should cushion you nicely. It won't damage your head. And some adapters for people with bigger heads or who prefer to wear them over hats, beanies, and so forth. So full adapting for your head, and it's not too tight, as in they won't squash your head as some headphones do. Now the key, I think, to this product is on the right side, the right earphone. You'll see all the controls for power and audio here. The microphone hole is there as well. So there's the 3.5mm connector for connecting two wired devices. There is the micro USB for charging, and there's a microphone hole. And then on the side, you'll see there's a minus button for volume down. It's a nice clicky button. There's a plus button for volume up. There's a play and pause button. This seems to be upside down to me, but I suppose it's down to personal preference. Play and pause. And at the top, there's a power on and call button. So you long press that to switch your device on. And as I said, there's plenty of movement in the earphones for your adapting to your head, which is great. So these are the Sephia headphones. We look forward to testing these and using them with our current batch of smartphones which do not have a 3.5mm audio jack. We'll also switch to devices that do have them with the 3.5mm cable, and give you a full review on techtravelgeeks.com. So that's the unboxing of the Sephia SX16 headphones as recorded on a Google Pixel 3 XL. We hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to see more unboxings, more reviews of products, and just general summaries of what we've been doing recently, keep an eye on Tech Travel Geeks. That's Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel, and please subscribe if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more. That's all from me now. Thanks very much for watching, everyone. Goodbye.